So we are in student preview mode, and to begin taking exam 1, you will click on course content on the left hand side in your green little box. You will then click on exam 1, and you will see that there are some instructions. One is a time test. There's 30 minutes. However, if time expires, you can continue and then submit, and you can save the test and resume it at a later time. So now we shall begin. Now, a factor that forms the foundation of a solid co-teaching marriage is if the teachers have worked together before. True or false? So, save answer. Co-planning time for co-teachers is where they save answer. And a co-teacher is a, and then save answer. Then press save and submit. Okay. Now review results. So I guess I got all the questions right. Surprise, surprise. So back to where it started.